Hey guys, in today's video, I'm taking you to Walmart. I've been asked where do I get my fabric and zippers from. Today, I'm taking you to Walmart to show you some of the things that you could get from the arts and craft department. Now, you could find an array of ribbons and zippers. These zippers are very reasonable, the cheapest that I have found. The zippers are from $1.44 to uh, to $1.80 for the 22 by the 20 by 20, and I think that's a reasonable price because at Joann's they're like $3 and up. You have an array of ribbons, piping, just different types of embellishment that you could use on fabric. And as you see, it's an array of colors and style. Look at that gold one. They also have a yellow and even a white. They also have black. I go to Walmart to get some of these things because, as you know, in looking around, some places are more expensive than others because I find that Walmart for their zippers is a very good price point. And as you see, it's an array of colors, an array of styles. They have the invisible zippers, also the regular zippers. And you could, in your sewing, you could take regular zippers, and if you know what you're doing, or you could copy well, you could also make them look like invisible zippers. As you see, they have an array of threads, starting from the white to the gray to the pink, all different shade of red. They even have, there's a color they call pig's blood. It's like a deep maroon type. They have that. Look, every color you could think about, and it's all in variations and style. And I like how they have everything mostly color coordinated. You could get from 200 yards, that's 97 cents, to a little bit more expensive. They even have the big ball of thread. And as you see, they do have an array of colors, but more in the smaller one. You could get an array of buttons, brooches, like I said, different sets of buttons. Look at these brooches right there. Look how gorgeous they are. They're like $5.99. And they also have even leather buttons. You could get felt. You could get sewing pads out of there. You could get batten. They even have leather thread. What I'm showing you here right now, when you're making pillows, if you wanted to put a piping on them, you could get that from there. Staplers. You could get nail heads, and the nail heads are $1.77. Sometimes they have good clothes at price. You could also get upholstery needles. And guys, I am redoing my couch right now. You could also find bra hooks, fabric fray, and I'm gonna show you guys how I am upholstering my chairs. I found some beautiful fabric. I'm gonna do a haul on fabric again and show you where I get them. You could get patches, timber. These right here is pants fasteners. It's just an array of things that you could get from there. These are the punchers for the fasteners. You could get pins and hook, iron-on patches. Right here you could get timber, you could get pin cushion, and here are the timbers. They're like $1 and change. Again, just about everything you could think about from sewing. You could get straight pins, regular pins, sewing kits. We're down to the fabric dye department. You could get and that's the RIT, I think. And you could get the liquid. This is also a storage bin that you could save your thread in. Here are the elastics. Every Walmart have like different supplies. I've been all over the countries and see different stores, and the array of things are different. You could get the steam iron. Right here are the pins. And here are your needles for your sewing machine. They also have leather, regular, universal, and can't remember that company name, but Singer machine, they even have sewing the needles for them. You could get bobbins. You could buy them by the single or by the double, measuring tapes, fabric cutters, another sewing kit. You could get things to store your thread. These are adhesive that if you wanted to do arts and craft, or even for frayed fabric, or to safeguard your fabric. There's a cutting mat. You could also get an array of scissors, size board, and they have from the plastic one to the cardboard ones. And here are an array of scissors and cutters. They have quite a bit of things that you could use. The adjustable blade, you have chalk, you have fabric chalk that you could use to, if you want to sew your stuff, you're not that steady as yet. Just an array of things that you could get from Walmart. They even have seam rippers. Right here is the plastic that you could like cover things with. Right here is needlepoint and quilting fabric. And as you see, it's just an array of everything. Right in the corner here is some faux leather. That's where I bought the leather from my son's bed. And that was in the gray croc finish. These are some outdoor fabrics. And as you see, they are quite colorful, some of them. Here are some, I think these are quilted fabrics. These are batten and cushion protectors. Here are some bowls and just different things that you could use, ribbons. They have an array of things that you could do DIY with also. These are all the different color ribbons that they have at that particular store. Look at that beautiful print that is there. You could even use that burgundy right there, that burgundy-ish red, to enhance your ribbon for the holidays. And the price, they start from 79 cents on up. Some more fabric. And these are the cooler weather fabric on this side here. More of a fleece. And the thing about Walmart, they don't really have sale on their fabric. I usually go to Joann's and other places. This right here, believe it or not, this is a faux leather. It is really pretty. And I usually will go to Joann's or Hobby Lobby because they have more of a sale. Sometimes Hobby Lobby have their fabric on 50% off. You could get an array of patterns, from clothing patterns or whatever pattern you could think about. Walmart has them. Here are some cushion, batten, and fillers. Here, as you see, I'm in the craft and DIY section. That's where you can find the glue, paint. This is the needlepoint area. I am seeing there's wool, crochet, and they have the accessories to go with them. An array of sewing machines, some Brothers sewing machines, different style. They also have the carriers for your sewing machine. They have one with the wheel and one without the wheel. So just an array of stuff, and because I have been asked, I said, well, I could show you guys. Here is zippers that you could buy that is on a wheel, and it comes like 3 yards plus. You could use them for cushions and like larger chair cushions. You could use those for that. And like I said, it's 3 yards of zippers. You could buy more of a quantity even on Amazon. So back to the thread again, and I'm just showing you, just a walkthrough, that you could go yourself into Walmart. You have needles, you have fabric to make aprons, and here are your different pins for your knitting and crochet stuff. Another set of ribbons without wire. They don't have any wires in them. You get painting, acrylic paint, paintbrush, name it, Walmart has it for you. These are the glues and glue guns. You can also get things for your Cricut. They have the machine itself. They have all of the different attachment and tools that you will use for your Cricut. Papers that you will use, and from $5.99 to $9.99, an array of different colors. They have the mug press. They have just an assortment of goodies in the craft area. Here is the machine, and this one I think is $189. I don't know the style number. I'm just giving you like what they have. Here is another one. I think this one is $279. Well, I could say name it, that Walmart has it in the craft department. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helped you guys. I'm going to have a fabric haul and show you the places that I buy my upholstery fabric. So guys, bye for now.